Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back! Or if this is your very first time here, welcome! You just found Easy English Conversations. I am Sage.
And I am Leonard. We are so happy you are here today. Seriously, so happy.
Today's episode is extra special. Why? Because we are starting from the very beginning. Episode 1, the first one, number 1.
And the topic is, how do you start a conversation in English? How do you say hello? How do you introduce yourself? How do you keep talking without getting nervous?
These are real questions. We know because our listeners ask us every single week. So today, Leonard and I are going to show you. We are going to have a real conversation, slow, clear, and full of useful English.
And here's the fun part. We will stop and explain the important words and phrases. You will hear them once, then hear them again, slowly. Repetition is your best friend in language learning.
Okay, are you ready? Let's go.
Okay, Sage, let's pretend. Let's imagine we are meeting for the very first time. Pretend means we are going to act, like a small play.
Okay, I love it. Let's do it. Hi, my name is Sage. What's your name?
Hi, Sage. My name is Leonard. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too, Leonard. Say that with me, everyone. It's nice to meet you. One more time, slowly. It's nice to meet you. Perfect.
So, Sage, where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you, Leonard, where are you from?
I'm from the United Kingdom. England, actually, but I live in the United States now.
Oh, interesting. So you moved. You came to a new country. That is big. How long have you lived here? How long have you lived here? We use this to ask about time. How long means for how many years, months, or days.
I have lived here for about 5 years now. 5 years. Time goes fast, right?
It really does. Okay, everyone, let's review. Repeat after me. Where are you from? I'm from. How long have you lived here? I have lived here for. Great job!
Okay, back to our conversation. Sage, what do you do? What is your job?
I am a teacher. I teach English to people from many different countries. I love my job. What about you, Leonard?
That is wonderful. I am an engineer. I design buildings. It is very technical work, but I enjoy it.
Wow, an engineer. That sounds challenging. Challenging means it is not easy, it is difficult, but in a good way. Do you enjoy it? Vocabulary. Challenging means difficult but interesting. Not easy, but not impossible.
Yes, very much. Every day is different. I never get bored.
That is so important, to love what you do. Everyone listening, can you answer this question? What do you do? Say it out loud right now. I am a. Go ahead, don't be shy.
I love that. Let's keep going. Sage, do you have a family?
Yes, I have a husband and 2 children, a boy and a girl. They keep me very busy. Do you have a family, Leonard?
I do. I have a wife and 1 dog. No children yet, just a very energetic dog named Biscuit.
Biscuit! I love that name. Okay, let's check in with our listeners. You just heard a full conversation about jobs and family. These are very common topics. When you meet someone new, they will often ask, what do you do? Do you have a family? Where are you from? Practice those answers at home tonight.
Okay, now we want to teach you something very important, something that will help you feel confident, feel brave in real English conversations.
Sometimes you will not understand everything. That's okay. Even native speakers, people who grew up speaking English, sometimes ask others to repeat themselves. It's completely normal.
So, what do you say when you don't understand? Here are some very useful phrases. First, sorry, can you repeat that, please?
Can you repeat that, please? Say it with me. Can you repeat that, please? One more time. Can you repeat that, please? Beautiful.
Another one, sorry, I did not understand. Can you say that more slowly?
And one more. What does that word mean? You can ask that anytime. People will be very happy to help you.
Let's do a quick practice. I'll say something and you, the listener, can practice asking for help. Ready?
The weather today is quite unpredictable. It might be sunny or it might rain. Either way, bring an umbrella just in case.
Now, how many of you understood every single word? If you did not, that's completely okay. You can say, sorry, what does unpredictable mean? Or, can you say that again more slowly? Practice saying that right now.
Okay, we're almost done with our conversation, but before we go, let's talk about how to end a conversation politely. This is also very important.
Yes, you don't want to just walk away without saying anything. That would be a little rude. So, here are some natural ways to say goodbye.
Number 1, it was so nice talking to you. Repeat, it was so nice talking to you.
Number 2, I hope we can talk again soon. Repeat, I hope we can talk again soon.
Number 3, take care, have a great day. These are simple, kind, and very natural. Native speakers say these all the time.
Okay, let's finish our pretend conversation. Sage, it was wonderful to meet you today.
It was wonderful to meet you too, Leonard. I really enjoyed our conversation.
I hope we can talk again very soon.
Me too. Take care, Leonard. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye, everyone.
Okay, let's do a quick recap, a quick review of everything we learned today.
We learned how to introduce yourself. Hi, my name is. We learned how to ask where someone is from. Where are you from? And we learned how to talk about jobs. What do you do? I am a.
We also learned super important phrases for when you don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? And can you say that more slowly? Those two phrases will save you so many times.
And finally, we practiced saying goodbye politely. It was so nice talking to you. And take care. Have a great day.
You did amazing today. Seriously, if you listened to this whole episode, you are already improving your English. Every minute of listening counts.
Before we go, we have a question for you. Leave a comment and tell us, where are you from? Write it in English. I am from. We read every single comment and we will love to hear from you.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe and share this with one friend who is also learning English. One share can change someone's learning journey. We really mean that.
New episodes come out every week. Same place, same friendly voices. We'll be right here waiting for you.
This is Easy English Conversations. I'm Sage.
And I'm Leonard. Thank you so much for listening. You're doing great. Keep going.
See you next time. Take care, everyone.